First time running soft bags. What do you think?
It's not bad.
Yeah, we got the, I don't remember the exact ones on there. They're made by Tusk, Rocky Mountain thing. It's a smaller set.
I didn't think I would like it, but it's been fine. It's been easy to get on and off, so.
Also decided to go this way since we are going to hit the Dalton later this week. Just keeps the bike a little bit lighter.
Yeah.
Also, you can't overpack.
No, thank goodness I've gotten better at packing.
Yeah. So then the other thing, we got the duffel bag down here. It's waterproof. It just straps up on the back. So that's the setup we're running on the 890. I just went old school on the 1290. Put the saddlebags on and go. So yeah, a little bit heavier and all that sort of thing, but not too worried about it. Also, I may have gone a little overkill with this new Nelson rig pack. I mean, this thing's huge. Ordered these bottle holders. Angela's got one on hers that's actually holding a bottle of water. This has cleaning spray for the bike, and then I got a canister for fuel. But it is a little bit bigger than what I thought it was going to be. But this is where the camera's residing, so got plenty of space on this trip. All right, so we are pulling out of Northern Rockies Lodge this morning. Good stay last night. Good dinner. Just a cool place. Also about the only place you can stay around here, but not too many people up moving around quite yet. Did see the fellow we talked to last night. It was on the KTM 1290. He took off probably 15 minutes ago, and now we're hitting the road at about 6:45. So looking forward to another good day of riding. I mean, that's just amazing to look at. I mean, that water just looks so cold. Oh, yeah. Well, at least that was a short stop. Again, don't follow my line. I just seem to go right through the holes. You gotta make sure the suspension's working. Not real sure how well it's going to pick up on camera. We've got getting a little bit of smoke from wildfires again. It's not nearly what it was yesterday, but you can smell it in the air. Yeah, we're probably 85 miles or so into the day. Getting the first time we've seen any rain. Just a few drops coming down. It is kind of cloudy, but we'll see if it amounts to much of anything. Also, if these trucks could stay on the road and stop swerving off and kicking up dirt, that'd be cool. Well, we just saw a sign back there that said, watch out for buffalo, and they weren't joking. Oh, look, they're all on this side too.
Yeah, little babies.
Little ones.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah.
I'm sure there's something. Oh, yeah. Look at that guy.
Brown bear. Oh, shit.
I'm not, oh yeah, I'll pull on up there. Just loop it around. Oh man, this thing's covered in stickers. And shoes. Alright, there should be an orange helmet sticker on there somewhere. Where is it? I do not remember where I put it. Oh, there it is. There it is. Somebody put a jackalope sticker over top of it. Oh, there's Marty's sticker. The Vonderhaulers. I'll snap a photo of that. And there's an old Ride on Moto sticker that's been covered up too. That's cool. We're gonna put put an update one up. We're gonna write the year on this one. Hopefully it sticks. Keep my little corner. Yeah, let's go get fuel and then we'll go check it out. Oh, this is the fuel station I stopped at last time. So we're in Watson Lake, made it to Spoost Forest. We're gonna walk around in here a little bit, go check some stuff out. I found Hagerstown. Yeah. Alright, it's a cool stop here at, oh, this thing's talking in my ear. Alright, it's a cool stop here at Spoost Forest. See Jim standing over there. He's waiting on Jerry and his wife to get back around. We're going to hit the road. Got a 272 left to get to Whitehorse today. Who the f is that? Do we know that guy? We'll go over here for a second. Is he waving to us? It's right on over here. Having fun?
Great bike.
What was that?
Great bike. I had the same one.
Oh yeah?
Yes.
Love this thing.
It's so strong.
Did you guys ship these over?
Yes.
Nice.
Yeah.
I like that helmet.
Oh, thank you. Yesterday with the guy, I thought it's you because it's the same guy, the same bike in Watson Lake.
Yeah, yep.
And yes, I had the same one. It's really a great bike.
The same guy, yeah. So.
Yes.
I've got I don't know what's on this thing. 64,000 miles now.
It works.
What was that?
It works.
Yeah, everything's great.
Years ago.
Yeah.
I saw this. Oh, that's great.
So I'm not sure what all we captured on my GoPro. I think my sister filmed a little bit. We met a gentleman back there at that stop. He was just waving, so I rode over. He just called me over because he used to have this same bike, and him and his buddy they're over from Europe. I believe they said Austria, riding, and he used to have this bike, and I popped my helmet off, and he recognized me. So from obviously the YouTube channel. So his name was Udos, super cool guy. Him and his buddy are both headed to I believe his friend was Luis. Does that sound right, Ags? Yeah, Luis. They're headed to Whitehorse tonight, just like we are. I'm gonna link his blog down below. I haven't had a chance to check it out yet myself, but he gave me a piece of paper that's got a QR code on it. So check it out. I bet it's gonna be pretty cool. That was cool. He was ready for it. This is in a lot better shape than that last stretch that was out. Wonder how far it's out. So we just missed pulling up here to get through on this light. The good news is the water truck just went through, so it's going to knock all the dust down, so we'll have to deal with that as we go through this construction zone. Covered a little, right around 440 miles today. We're coming into Whitehorse where we'll be staying for the night. It's just a little bit after 3 o'clock. We were both starving, so we're gonna find something to eat.
Please.